Hello my friend, welcome to my video. So my friend, in this video I just want to share my past experience. Okay, I just wanted to share, but today I actually got a courage to share with you. So my friend, the thing is that when I was studying in plus 1, like in intermediate, so that time there was a function. Okay, there was a function in our home. Okay, so my mom and dad, they were and my mom and dad actually went somewhere for a tour, like a 20-30 days tour. Okay, so me, my grandmother, my sister and uncle, we all were in our home. Okay, so we celebrated function. Okay, so we can say there was a festival. Okay, so that time, me, my brother, sister, we all were dancing, okay, on the beat of Hindi song. Suddenly, what happened, because I remember that things. Okay, suddenly what happened actually when I was dancing, so my feet, the sole of my feet, ankle, I got pain. This pain actually started from my ankle. Okay, so I ignored that time because I thought it was coming because of dancing. But after one day, that pain from, like, in my right side ankle, that pain started increasing, and that pain actually up to comes, and that pain come up to the my knee, and then my matlab, some joints part. Okay, also my jaw. Okay, so that time my father and mother was not at home, so I asked my neighborhood uncle. So he actually agreed to take me to the hospital. So when I went, we went to the hospital, and I got checked at the hospital. So they actually prescribed me some medicine, but I was not recovering from that medicine. Then my father came, okay, from the tour, and my father actually take me to the PGI, postgraduate institute, that is the biggest hospital in the India. And they actually doctor actually checked me properly. Okay, and I ran through the blood test also. So they said this is like a, one disease, that is AS, ankylosing spondylitis sometime. Okay, but they didn't say this like this is ankylosing spondylitis. They said that it's like a some kind of in your body there is some kind of we can say, like in Ayurveda we can say vat. Okay, so that actually that vat actually has increased. Okay, so that's why that pain, joints pain, actually, and he's going through that joint pain. So they actually prescribed me medicine, and 6 months I actually took that medicine for 6 months, and I recovered. Okay, properly recovered, and I started going to school. Okay, so I did my intermediate, then I went to college. I also studied in college, and also did my graduation. Okay, post graduation. But the thing is that actually no one actually advised me that in this disease you have to prevent some food to eat. Okay, so in the graduation time I used to eat everything. Okay, like sour thing and packed things, cold drink also sometime. So that was very harmful for this disease. Okay, then in I actually got a job, government job. After 1 year, that pain again started coming out. That pain started coming out from my body. Okay, and I had a severe pain in my back and knee. Okay, then I again went to that same PGI, because that PGI institute nearby the where I was doing job. That institute was nearby from my job location. I went there. They prescribed me same medicine that they prescribed me 5 and 10 years ago. I recovered. I recovered in 6 months. But in 6 months, I actually I bear so much pain, severe pain. and I used to go to office in that severe pain. I know how did I spend that days in pain, but I didn't stop. I continuously going. I continuously went to office and did my work, regular work. Okay. So the thing is that then then I realized that I have to prevent, yeah, avoid some packed food and some other food that increase that bath in my body. So I avoid that food, okay, and I started taking Ayurveda medicine. So from that Ayurveda medicine, then I recovered well. But the thing is that in 2019, yeah, in 2019, again, yeah, again that actually I got pain again in my back. Then I took Ayurvedic medicine for 6 months. Then I got recovered. Then I realized one thing: I shouldn't have taken those food that is like a packed food, sour things, okay, and cold drinks and processed food. So I avoid actually after that doctor's advice, Ayurveda doctor advice, I avoid all these things. Even this time, it has been 10 years. I actually haven't had a tea. I left drinking tea. So now these days I just eat simple food, homemade food. I do not take processed food and also some other like such kind of food that actually increase the bath in our body. So, but this time this time actually when pain actually in my body when I that's some pain from some region. Okay, so I actually take some Ayurvedic medicine and I get recovered. Yeah, sometime I go to Ayurvedic hospital and I take some advice from the doctor and they prescribe me Ayurvedic medicine and I get recovered. Okay, so that is the power of Ayurveda and power of natural herbs. Okay, so this time I do not take any kind of an allopathic medicine. Okay, even not painkiller. Okay, so that is the power of Ayurveda. So I want to share one thing and I want to say one thing with you. If you are struggling health issue in your body, then I think you should try something new like something natural herbs. You can say yoga. No, so you should include all these things in your daily routine. Yoga, natural things, fruits, okay, and mental health, okay, and like always think positive. You should not think negative, okay. So that was the thing. So these days I'm having pain this side, okay, but it's recovering. Today I also exercise a lot, like a 1 hour exercise in the evening time. So that pain it will be it will be go within 2 and 3 days, okay. So my friend, I just wanted to say we have to struggle in every field. Like if we have a health issue, then we have to struggle. If we have a money issue, we have to struggle. If we have family problem, we have to struggle. So life is a struggle. In here in this earth, we we actually we have come here to struggle, struggle, to do karma. So that is the life. So don't give up. Just go on and take some advice from a good friend and good doctors and some just discuss your problem with someone who can understand you. That is the my message. Now I will not drag this video for so long and want to end this video. Take care.